This is Free Little Bird by Cousin Emmy. I'm a free little bird as I can be. I'm a free little bird as I can be. I'll fly to the east and I'll fly to the west and I'll fly to the boy that I love best. If I were a little sparrow bird, I'd never build my nest on the ground. I'd build my nest in my true lover's breast, where the wild boys would never tear down. Take me home, little bird, take me home. Take me home, little bird, take me home. Home to my mother, she is dearer than the others. Take me home, little bird, take me home. I'm a free little bird as I can be. I'm a free little bird as I can be. I'll fly to the east and I'll fly to the west and I'll fly to the boy that I love best. If I were a little honeybee, I'd never steal my honey from the comb. I'd steal my kiss from my true lover's lips, and back to my hive I'd go. Take me home, little bird, take me home. Take me home, little bird, take me home. Home to my mother, she is dearer than the others. Take me home, little bird, take me home. I'm a free little bird as I can be. I'm a free little bird as I can be. I'll fly to the east and I'll fly to the west and I'll fly to the boy that I love best. If I were a maroon in the ground, if I were a maroon in the ground, I'd root so hard and I never would get tired till I root that whole mountain down. Take me home, little bird, take me home. Take me home, little bird, take me home. Home to my mother, she is dearer than the others. Take me home, little bird, take me home. Take me home, little bird, take me home.